wonder if that thing tastes like chicken. Alright, tonight we're going to grill up some barbecue chicken breasts. These taste great, but they're really quite easy to make. Alright, we gave these a quick little wash and dry. We're going to go with a coat of olive oil on there. I guess you could toss in a dash of black pepper if you wanted to. These are still going to taste a lot better than anything you bring home in a paper bag. Alright then, we're pretty much ready to fire up the grill and get these things cooking. Okay, to deal with flare-ups, I got chicken breast bone side down up on the second rack. Running indirect heat, medium-low, about 350 degrees. I'm going to leave them for about an hour, check the temperature. Once you've hit 160 or so, that chicken's done. I switch to direct heat, skin side down for 10 or 15 minutes, and get a couple nice coats of BBQ sauce on there, get it nice and sticky. Alright, I'll tell you what, it's just that simple. We're ready to eat.